Well, let's see if I can help.
Well, let's see I can help.
I think each course type has its advantages and disadvantages, so it really depends on you, your own study habits, and your financial circumstances, of course. Are you working at the moment?
I think each course type has its advantages and disadvantages, so it really depends on your own study habits and your finances, circumstances. Of course, are you working at the moment?
Yes, I've been working in the administration section of the local hospital.
Yes, I've been working in the administration section of the local hospital
For the last 3 years. And before that, I worked in the office of a computer engineering company for 2 years.
for the last 3 years, and before that, I worked in the office of a computer engineering company for 2 years.
So I've got about 5 years of relevant work experience. And what I'm hoping to focus on is personnel management.
So I worked about 5 years of relevant work experience, and what I am hoping to focus on this personnel management.
I see. And are you planning to leave your current job to study, or are you thinking about just taking a year off?
I see. And are you planning to leave your current to study, or are you thinking about just taking a year?
I want to know what my options are, really. I don't want to quit my job or anything, and my employers are keen for me to get some more qualifications, but obviously it would be better if I could do a course without taking too much time away from work.
I want to know what my options are. Really, I don't want to quit my jobs or anything, and my employer are keen for me to get some more qualification qualification, but finally it would be better if I could to do a course without taking too much away from work.
Right. So you don't really want to do the full-time course then?
Right, so you don't really want to do the full-time course then?
No, not really. It's also a question of finances. You see, my office have agreed to pay the cost of the course itself, but I would have to take unpaid leave if I want to study full-time, and well, I don't think I could afford to support myself with no salary for a whole year.
Okay.
No, not really. It's also a question of my finances. You see, my office have agreed to buy the cost of the course itself, but I would have to take leave if I want to study full time, and well, I don't think I could afford support myself with no salary for a whole year.
Well, you have two other possibilities. You could either do the part-time course, that would be over 2 years, and you wouldn't have to take any time off work, or you could do what we call a modular course.
Okay, well, you have two other possibility. You could either do the part-time course that could be over 2 years, and you wouldn't have to take any time of work, or you could do what you will call a modular course. You could do that in 18 months if you want it, or longer. It's quite flexible, and it would be up to you.
You could do that in 18 months if you wanted, or longer. It's quite flexible, and it would be up to you.
So what does the part-time course involve?
So what does the part-time course involve?
For that, you would join an evening class and have a lecture twice a week. Then you have to attend a seminar or discussion workshop one weekend a month.
For that, you would join an evening and have a lecture twice a week then.
What kind of coursework would I have to do?
We have to attend a seminar and discussion workshop 1 weekend a month. What kind of coursework would I have to do?
Well, it's a mixture. You'd be expected to write an essay each month, which counts towards your final assessment. You have a case study to do by the end of the course, which might involve doing a survey or something like that. And also you need to hand in a short report every 4 weeks.
Well, it's a mixture. You expect to write an essay each month. We count towards your final assignment. You have a case study to do by the end of the course, which might involve doing a survey or something like that. And also you need to hand in a short report every 4 weeks.
So that's quite a lot of work then, on top of working every day. It sounds like a lot of studying and really tiring.
So that's quite a lot of work. Then on top of working every day, it sounds like a lot of studying and really tiring.
Yeah, you certainly wouldn't have much free time.
Yeah, you certainly wouldn't have much free time.
Before you hear the rest of the conversation, you have some time to look at
The modular course, what would I have to do for that?
What about modular course? What would I have to do for that?
Well, that's where you get the opportunity to study full-time for